What's up, guys? So today I'm going to be installing my cage, my 4-point cage on the 370Z. I'm also going to be taking these seats out because I'm going to replace them with a new set. Most of you guys already seen on my Instagram. It's going to be the brights, so I'm going to be getting those pretty soon, but I'm going to go ahead and take these out right now because we're going to put them in our girl's car, and she already has all the brackets, and when she gets here we'll install them in her car. But for today we're just going to mainly focus on putting in the cage and cleaning up the car. Alright guys, see you in a bit. Alright guys, so it's pretty easy to take out the seats on this type of car, on the 370Z. You just have 4 points of contact. So you have that point, you have 4, and then another bolt right here. You're going to have another bolt back here, so you can actually see it. You can barely see it right there. It's kind of dark back there. So you have just 4 bolts, and then you're able to take it out, but also you have a harness back here. Sorry guys, I have a bunch of junk right now. I just came back from track day. That video is going to be coming up soon. But there's a harness right there that you're going to disconnect for the seatbelt, and then you're also going to disconnect SRS module wire. But it's pretty easy, they're on the same line, so disconnect that and then you got to fully take out the seat. Let me go and do that now. I'm a blessing when I see her undressing in the morning, what it feel like. Keep it going, yeah, seem that what I'm doing is working. Used to get caught lying, she crying for certain. Even back when my pockets was hurting, you were staying by my side, let me know, is it worth it? Keep in mind, never said I was perfect. Even when I'm dead in your head, I'll be lurking. See me looking through the blinds when you open the curtains. When I'm gone, you can keep me alive.
Teach you how to whip the grain inside, peanut butter outside with the candy frame. Serving corners in this jet. I'm on the quest to touch 100 mil before I lay myself to rest. Hand on the Glock, I turn the beam on. A savage on the fucking run, the Unabomber, wreaking heaven, singing sad songs. Red rum, murder engraved inside of my mind. Pull up to your funeral and kill everybody inside. Lock and loaded, bust a hammer, hit the nail and crucify. Tie your body up in the dungeon to make your soul mine. Death note, got a page with your name on it. Put a line to your head like a fucking comet.
Alright guys, so I'm all done taking out the seat. I'm gonna do the same thing on the other side. It's pretty easy. Let me show you the locations of the bolts, and then let me show you the harness as well. Disregard all my mess inside the car because I haven't been able to reach into the seat due to the harnesses. It's pretty hard to like move your seat back and forth. It's basically like once you put these harnesses in, they're set. Like you can't really do anything, reach under your seat, move your seat back and forth. It's just it's so limited. But let me go and show you. Alright guys, excuse the mess. It's fucking big ass mess. So you're gonna have these little covers covering the top of the bolt. It's these little black covers, they're gonna be right here on top. And then you're gonna have one bolt there. You're gonna have another bolt over there, and then right there, and then one more right here. So you go ahead and take those off, take off the covers. Go ahead and keep the covers because you're gonna reuse them with the same bolt. If you guys are going aftermarket, you guys are just gonna need either planted, bright, or some sparkle kind of specific 370Z or whatever kind of car you have. It's gonna be a bracket, and then you'll be able to put an aftermarket seat on top of that. And yeah, that's about it guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and clean this up, do the same thing on the other side, take out that seat, and get my other stuff ready and get ready for the cage in here. I gotta take off a bunch of stuff. due to track day. Had a bunch of stuff in here, so I gotta do like a full detail in here. It's pretty dirty in here. Alright guys, I'll record when I start getting the cage in after cleaning up and taking out the seats. Alright guys, so I'm kind of midway there, putting in the cage. You can see it behind me. So basically I'm done with the back half, but I still have to make slits on the actual panels, on the back panels, so it's able to slide in. So on these panels, on these strut rear covers, so I'm gonna have to make slits on these later on. Right now where I'm at the point where I need to drill the front ones. So once I'm done with that, it's gonna be fully in, and that's it guys. But let me go show you a quick sneak peek guys. So it's gonna be the cage right there, right behind me. I'm not gonna show it to you all guys, but I mean, like I said before, I'm always gonna show you guys what I'm up to first on YouTube. So make sure to click up that subscribe and that notification button. So the cage is already in. I just gotta bolt up the front and we're done. We're already done there guys. The difficulty on this, I would definitely suggest for you to go ahead and get somebody else to help you, or or a helping hand for like a couple of like 20-30 minutes, and then you guys will be pretty much good. But it's very difficult to put this cage in. What's up guys, so I'm already done installing the cage. It's already in right now. As you can tell, I don't have any seats in right now. I'm actually waiting for the grids to come in, so that's gonna be a little while more for those. That's about it guys. I'm gonna go ahead and sign off now. This cage, man, it kicked my ass. I would do a do it yourself kind of video for the cage, but it's just so time consuming and so labor intensive that you would need somebody to be able to record for you while you're doing it. And I just didn't have the time for that. But it's in guys. As you can tell, it looks really nice. It has an X bar in the back. It has a the harness bar for the actual Takata seat belts. I just gotta buy one more. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and park the car back in. I'm freaking exhausted. Yesterday I installed a HKS exhaust and still in Gen 2 intake system for a guy. His name is I think it was a RJZ34. But yeah guys, that kicked my ass. And then today with the cage, I'm just exhausted right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and edit this video, and then I should be back pretty soon once I get the brides back in, brides or whatever you want to call them. I'll actually do a video for that, a do-it-yourself kind of thing. But for this cage, man, it's like, if you ever see me at a show or something, I'll explain to you how to put it in, because there's no instructions or nothing like that. It's very labor intensive. It probably took me about 6 hours to put this whole thing in, with no instructions, nothing, just on the fly. All that car enthusiast time really came in handy today, installing this cage. But yeah guys, hopefully you guys like the cage, and hopefully you guys are content with the look like I am, because I'm really happy with it. Right now it looks like a straight up race car. I just have to adjust a couple of panels in the back, kind of trim them off. I'm sitting kind of low because obviously I don't have any seats in here, so I'll get those in pretty soon. Sometime next month. They're supposed to be here from Japan. Anything from Japan guys is not overnight shipping. It's not like the Fast and Furious guys. That's a straight mystery. Everything always takes like more than 4 weeks, sometimes even more if it's you have to make it, if they have to make it, I mean. But yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and clean up, wipe everything down, put my tools away, and call it a night. I'll see you guys next time.
I was there when you needed me. Now I don't even want the credit.